Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's 12 days of tutorials, I'm going to be doing a look using Dose of Colors Hidden Treasure palette. Do you remember this? Oh my gosh, sold out everywhere. Oh my gosh, it brings me so many memories. But I'm going to be doing a look using this palette, which looks like this. Still have the insert and everything, but look at this baby. So we're going to be doing a look with this. I am. And if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So today I'm going to be doing a look using Dose of Colors Hidden Treasure palette, which looks like this. And this brings me so many memories. This baby was sold out everywhere. So I'm pretty excited to use this palette. And alrighty, so why don't we just jump in? So all I have right now, all I've done I should say, is my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I didn't use anything new. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I used the duo powder, both in Ebony. And then I carved the bottom of my eyebrows and primed the lids with MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre, and then I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on right now. And now I'm just gonna jump into the palette. So let's see. So I think I'm gonna go into the shade Map, which is this pretty light brown, and I'm gonna use a blending brush. I'm gonna be using the Morphe R37. This is just a blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Map right here, and I'm gonna apply this to the crease. I'm gonna go in with a little bit just because I don't remember how pigmented it's been a while. Such a beautiful shade. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So now I think I'm going to go into the shade Locket, which is this orangey brown right here, and I'm just gonna use that color in the crease as well, just to warm everything out. That brown was pretty, but it was a little too gray for me. But I'm just adding a little bit of that color, not too much. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go into the shade Key, which is this nice brown shade, and I'm gonna apply it to this outer part of the crease. Now I'm going to go back with my blending brush, the one we used in the crease, and I'm just going to blend the shades. Now this look is going to be fairly simple. I'm just going to use one shimmer shade on the lid. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with a shimmer, and because I'm going in with a shimmer, I like to use a glitter glue underneath so it can adhere. That's just something that I always do. I don't mind doing it, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath IntensifEYES Artistry wand, and I'm just going to apply it to this empty part of the lid. And then I'm going to go in with one of the shimmers. So like so. Now with my finger, I'm going to be going into the shade Ruby, which is this really pretty red, and hopefully it's still pigmented. Oh, that shade is so pretty. I'm just building that red like so. Wow, that looks so pretty. Now I'm going to grab a brush. I'm going to be using the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH41, which is a flat shader brush. And I'm going to go into that ruby color. And I'm just going to apply it here. I want to clean up the edges a little bit. Alrighty, now I'm going to go back in with the shader brush in which we use the brown shade. And I'm going to blend it into the red with whatever's on the brush. I might even dip into the black. Now I'm going to go in with my crease blending brush and I'm just going to blend this out. Make sure there's no harsh line between the red and the red. I mean the brown and the red. So like so. I think I'm going to dip into Onyx, which is the black shade, and just the tiniest bit with my shader brush. And I'm just going to add some. Oh my gosh, do you see that pigment? Wow. And I'm not even applying pressure with my brush. And it's really, really pigmented. Oh my gosh. Wow, just trying to keep it here. Wow, that looks pretty. All right, now I'm gonna do this eye and then I'll show you how it looks. Alrighty, so this is what the eyes look like. I'm gonna jump off camera, do a liner, lashes, finish the complexion, and then I'll jump back on camera and show you the final look. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the look I created using the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures palette. What do you guys think? I'm a big fan of red eyeshadow. And I think it looks really flirty. Like, I think this would be perfect for a date night. I don't know. What do you guys think? I love it. This palette is such a gem. The shimmers and the eyeshadows still performed very well. And I mean, I do take care of my eyeshadow palettes. And yeah, this beauty blended out perfectly. I know you're probably not able to get this palette, but it's a gem. I'm so glad I have it. It works beautifully. And yeah, I'm happy that I have it. Anyways, I'm just rambling, but thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, eye tutorial, and I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.